my neighbor's dog. Right, oh my gosh, how do I do this? Right there. Bella! Bo Bear is after, where are you going? Yep, he's going over to the fence to get her. Hi, Bo. Bo Bear. Bo Bear. Hey. Do you want to be videoed? Hey, Bo. Hey, Bo. Where you going? Well, he left. Okay. Hi friends, it's me, and if you guys really want a real look of what I look like in the morning, here we go. It is, we got our big snowstorm last night.
A big wonderful 2 inches.
Yeah, but it's on top of a sheet of ice that we got last night, so, yeah. I look terrible this morning, but that's okay. We stayed up late last night watching TV, and guess what, guys? Ronnie's parents are in their new house. They no longer live here.
It's quiet, ain't it?
It's so quiet. We don't know what to do. We called them this morning. We're like, hey, how you doing? But anyways, we did. We called them. I look scary. My hair is, this is literally what I look like when I woke up this morning because... But hey, my gray is pretty gone. I did get time to color my gray this week. That was a plus. We are on our second cup of second pot of Colombian coffee.
We needed more this morning.
Yes, we needed a little more. It is 20 degrees outside. Everything's covered in a sheet of glass and snow. And we have no refrigerator, no stove, no washer and dryer, so we're going to be doing some roughing it until they...
well, we do got a small one in there.
Yeah, we have a mini fridge in here, so we have a few things. So, our big meal today will probably be pizza, and our small meal is probably going to be a ham and cheese sandwich, because I stocked a fridge in here with some ham and bologna and cheese, and we've got crackers and cookies, bread...
Pringles.
You know, yeah, Pringles, chips. So that is that. But the thing that you guys don't know is that we have gotten some really good neighbors because Ronnie's parents moved next door. They didn't have to move far, guys. They didn't have to move far. They're next door. So, because they have the stove and all that, I'm going over there probably later to throw the pizza in and bring it back here for us to eat and leave them one.
Might steal some beans and cornbread too.
Yeah, she said she's making beans and cornbread. On a cold day like this, that sounds pretty good. So we are just chilling this morning. I thought I'd do a day in a life because honestly, I just don't really have too much of stuff going on, but just thought that I would just film today and say hello and say that the in-laws are moved out and now commences the cleaning and the painting and the getting ready for the new appliances, which will be wonderful. And then Ronnie and I are probably going to go to Aldi's together and do our first grocery shop, you know, just for us, me and him being married. And won't that be neat?
It will.
So, because we'll have to stock up. And it takes a lot of food to feed Ronnie. He needs a lot of cheese and cottage cheese. And what else do you eat, honey?
I eat anything and everything.
Anything and everything. Right there is Jack and Jill. They're going to make my video today. I just cleaned their cage. And they're just tweeting away. I opened the window and you can see the snow out there. Oh, goodness. Guys, hello. You pretty birds. You're the pretty birds. Yes, you are the pretty birds. Pretty birds. Yes, you are. Hello. Hello. Aw. Yeah, they got fresh food and water and they're good for the day. Snow, snow, snow. We're supposed to get another vat of snow here tonight and tomorrow and the next day. Oh my goodness. I thought that I would film my weekend and edit it Sunday night and get it out to you guys on Monday as my video, because yesterday I did not have a video because things are very, very hectic. Very hectic. I am in my kitchen, as you can see. We have no appliances. I have a mini fridge upstairs that I've been keeping coffee creamer and some bologna and cheese in. We have to make do and persevere until next Thursday when our appliances come. So this is where my stove will go, right here. Yes. And I've got new sink faucets going in today. And there's a lot of work that has to be done to this kitchen, so just be mindful that this house was built in 1906, and I've got my hands full with fixing things. So this is the pantry right here, and I've got to get all of that food out because I have somebody coming to patch this hole and to paint the whole thing, and then I can put everything back in there. Then you have where my microwave is here, and that's where my fridge is going. So the inside of my kitchen is getting painted as well. And I've got a lot of garbage there. Filled up the can out front twice, and it was overflowing, and I could not take any more garbage outside because a raccoon would get in it or whatever. And so my goal today is to get everything out of the kitchen, like stuff that's sitting on the counters, and I have to bag up all of this food in this pantry. Decide what I want to keep, what I don't want to keep, and whatever I don't want to keep, I'm gonna garbage or give away. Share my weekend with you guys. I know I don't look glamorous right now. I literally set my alarm for 6:45 and could not get out of bed. I was so tired. I have been working non-stop for days. I'll show you guys a little snippety peek here. I'm gonna walk through the house. This is the dining room area right here. Let's see. There's the table right here. I have been cleaning it like a crazy person, as you can see here. And then I have this here hutch thing. This is going to move probably today. But this is what's left over for my in-laws to come and get and move out. So we all have been busy and we've all had our hands full. So I'm gonna get cracking because the guy's coming today at 12 o'clock to paint that pantry. Look what I found. This is my wedding invitation. Me and Ronnie. And not very far from now, it'll be a year ago that we got married. And anyways, I love these. These are so pretty. Hey guys, I look terrible, I know, but we have been working away on the house, and we got it all painted in here, real nice, and then, let me see if I can find enough light. All these are repainted. The man is going to come back on Monday to do a second coat, and that's going to look good, and because I don't have a stove, and I just found my electric skillet, if you guys have ever, and I have a brand new crock pot. I'm going to go with my father-in-law, and we're going to go get Burger King. Big exciting dinner. Big exciting dinner. So yeah, we're going to go to Burger King. I'm going to turn these lights off. It is brutally cold outside, so I'm going to go upstairs to my room. And I'm going to change out of this sweatshirt, get a big winter coat and a sweater and get going. And I will catch you guys later. And I'm not sure where I look at when I talk into this thing. Okay, off we go. We still have plenty of snow on the ground. Not that much. It's mostly, but we have a lot. We've been having a lot of ice. See, patches of ice. It kind of melts over and then it refreezes and it's bad. Happy Valentine's Day, guys, and cheers. I'm having my coffee this morning with my true Valentine over here. And we have decided that we are doing absolutely nothing today.
Exactly.
Because we are tired.
We've been busy as bees, and we're still busy as bees, but it's a good kind of thing.
Yeah, it's a good kind of fun. We have been working on the house, and his parents moving out this week. So, yes, it was a lot of work, but I filmed some yesterday, and then I'm going to film today. I'm going to edit, and this is going to go out to you all tomorrow, which will be Monday. So, happy Valentine's Day. Our kitchen got painted yesterday, and it got the first coat on it, and we are going to get a second coat and some new hardware put on the sink. And Thursday our appliances show up, and so I will be good to go, and I cannot wait to bake and cook and do all that stuff that Ronnie likes to eat. So
yeah, we're going spicy now.
That's
we
right.
just got done talking. I said, spice for our life.
Well, his parents can't eat real spicy food, so I've been cooking good, but I keep it really on the low, down low with the spicy and the season. And he's like, now we're going to turn it up. Now we're going to turn it up. Well, anyways, we are both just having our coffee this morning. I am planning to go downstairs and put the crock pot on. I got an electric skillet, and we are going to have some breakfast here in a little bit. Hopefully I can find everything I need for breakfast. But we're going to make do, and it's going to be A-okay, and we're going to have a good day, aren't we, sweetheart?
Always.
And as you can tell, I'm wearing Valentine colors all the way. This green Marshall shirt is not a Valentine shade, so maybe I can find something else to wear and put a little makeup on and, you know, dress up a little bit for my man over here. But right now, coffee, relax, and then I'm going to go downstairs. Hi guys, I am downstairs and I am fixing to make some breakfast, or at least attempt to. I put a little makeup on, I curled my hair, I'm wearing new earrings today. Aren't those pretty? And I got a pink sweater on. It's very chilly outside. But I'm going to attempt to make some breakfast, even though I don't have a stove or refrigerator. So what I did last night, if you want to know, is I housed in my little tiny fridge upstairs some eggs, 6 eggs, some hot sausage. I've got some butter. I cannot find the syrup anywhere. But I've got some honey, and I'll show you what I'm doing here. Hold on. So I'm fixing some waffles, and what I did is to make them flavorful is I add some ground cinnamon and just a little tiny bit of sugar to sweeten them up. But I got this new waffle maker, and it's a heart for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna give this a go. Wish me luck, guys. Anyhow, if you're wondering how I'm making the sausage, I can tell you I have a electric skillet that I actually got for a wedding gift from my very lovely neighbor. So that is how I'm going to make breakfast today. So I'm going to give this a go, get this plugged in, and see what I can do. Well, everything is going good. I have some white potatoes, and I'm frying those with some hot sausage. And then when that gets done, I take that out. Then I'll put my eggs in there. We'll fry some eggs. And now my waffles are getting done. They actually cooked up really well. They're so pretty, too. They're perfect. Let's see if this one's done. I just put it in there so it might not. Yep. Getting done. I mean, you have to watch how much you fill it, but I don't think that matters. It still makes the heart design on it, and everybody kind of knows what you're doing. So these are going to be really good. Hey guys, I realized that I didn't close out this video, and I just wanted to say good night to you guys. Hope you guys had a fabulous Valentine's Day. We ended up basically going over to my in-laws' house, and we had some ice cream again, and that's pretty much all that we did today. I cleaned up after we ate, and we were so full from that we just had a little cottage cheese tonight for snack, to be honest with you. And we had ice cream over there. We double dairied it. Anyhow, we were getting ready to go to bed, and I told Ronnie, I said, I forgot to close out the vlog today to sit here in my bed and edit. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and stay tuned. You know, if for some reason you don't see me for a couple of days, don't panic. We are making many changes around here. I've got some deliveries coming this week. I've got painters coming tomorrow. We have a winter storm that's going to hit us again in the middle of the night tonight, it says. So with all that being said and done, I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for sticking with me. If for any reason you don't hear from me, that is probably the reason. We are also switching internet providers, so that I don't know how that's going to go, because I have to disconnect what I have in order to get what I'm getting. And so I've got that going on. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hope you had a fabulous weekend and a wonderful Valentine's Day. And yeah, thank you so much. And just know that you guys are each individually loved and appreciated for sticking with my channel. And I consider each and every one of you to be my friends. Thanks so much for watching. You have a fabulous week. And I'll be seeing you as soon as I possibly can. Bye, guys.